What's happening, worldwide family? Thank you so much for taking out the time and sending me a private message or commenting on one of my social media posts. Really and truly appreciate it. Ironically, this is a 6-year journey that most people don't see behind the scenes. And this morning I woke up because I achieved double IMD at 2 a.m. this morning. But this morning I woke up, and when I did wake up, it was like everything that I've achieved, all the earnings, all the hard work that I put in, all the late nights, early mornings, hours of flying, jet lag, time away from my family just got doubled overnight. And I really and truly appreciate not the results, but I appreciate you taking out the time and celebrating me. Here's the deal: I did not do it for me. I did it for the African continent. I did it for the company World Ventures. I did it for the industry. I did it for the world, and I did it for you, to show you that this is possible, to show you that if an 18-year-old kid from Durban, South Africa, where the average monthly income is about $300 a month, could do this, you could do it. I did it to show you that here's the deal: if you take out some time and if you put in the effort and you don't look left and you don't look right, you turn that speed up on that treadmill because you don't have time to look you don't have time to look left and right, and you just start riding, and the only thing you start looking at is your next foot that moves forward. And I can assure you something right now: 6 years later, your life will be radically different. Trust me when I say this. My life has changed, not just financially, but freedom-wise. Today I have more choices in life. So I want to thank you so much for every single second you took out. And to all my mentors out there, I've got several mentors. I don't want to take out some time and mention their names, but I want to let you guys know, if you know you're my mentor, if you know you played a part of my life, you had a contribution towards my success, I want to thank you. There is no me without you. This is a team effort. Double IMD, 3 years. First IMD, 2 years later for the second time, okay? Now here's the most important thing. I'm making a public declaration. 31st December 2018. I will be a triple IMD at 24 years old. And every time you see me, I want you to come up to me and keep me accountable of my own words. I made a declaration. You need to keep me accountable. I'm a public guy. I like making public declarations. Keep me to my word, okay? Here's the deal, guys. No one out there will outwork me. I can assure you. I don't have anything against you. I love you. I appreciate you. But you will not outwork me. There's no way you will outwork me. You might out-earn me. You might surpass me on income, but you will never outwork me. This tour right now that I'm doing, the Work Like You Broke tour, 8 countries, 13 cities, 4 continents. I'm only on number 8, stop number 8 right now, but I can assure you one thing. I've been grinding every single day, jumping on 5 a.m. flights, being at the airport at 4, waking up at 3, flying around with my videographer and some of my top earners and top producers. And I'll tell you something right now, there's nothing to celebrate. Today, I'm straight in the living rooms doing presentations. I'm in the conference rooms doing presentations. I'm taking my phones, making multiple calls. I'm thanking my leaders. I'm pushing because there's no time to celebrate life yet. This weekend I'll be on a vacation with about 100+ people. But I'll tell you something right now, I'll be grinding, I'll be working. And I can show you something right now. Action plus your goals. The goals you physically write down, plus your public declaration, what you tell the world so they can keep you accountable, equals results. Let's go work. Let's change the world together. And I believe in order for us to change the world, we need to start changing ourselves. Stop thinking that the president dictates how much you have in your bank account. Stop thinking the president dictates how much of action you should take. Stop thinking the president should dictate, your life, because you are the president of your own life. Here's the deal, man. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I can assure you, the next few weeks, next few months, next few years, my book is about to come out, videos about to pop, next rank is about to pop, success stories about to pop. I'm not the only one winning, baby. We've popped out 80 ranks in the past 80 days. Historical moment. Let's go. They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation.